Hi friends, let's make my custom logo for an artist maker's mark using Canva for free. First I log into Canva and select the purple Create a Design button. Then I click on Logo. I gathered inspiration from pre-made logos to help with creating my unique idea. I searched more specifically towards what I envisioned in case others had already made that design or something similar. I was specifically looking for a line-drawn poppy flower since poppies are super meaningful to me and my art. Next, I'm going to select the Elements button to find something most similar to what I have in mind for my logo. I wanted a graphic line drawing instead of an image because I love the minimalist aesthetic and I knew I could easily customize it. To customize it, I click the Draw tool and match the marker color to my background. Since my background is white, I select white. Then I zoom in as close as I can and draw on top of the lines that I would like to cover up. The line weight can be adjusted to help with smoothly covering those lines. This does require patience and practice, but I promise it is worth it in the end to create a design that uniquely represents you. Next, I decided I wanted to add a stem to my flower, so I switched the color of the marker to black to match the flower. I spent a lot of time playing with the thickness or the weight of the line to make sure that it matched the rest of the design and looked really purposeful. You can also duplicate lines that you've drawn or use the Elements section to use pre-made shapes if you want something that does not look hand-drawn. It's very easy to get discouraged at this point, but I encourage you to keep trying until it's close enough to what you envision and make multiple renditions. If you like what you drew but it's in the wrong location, use the cursor to select the line you drew and move it into place. You can add text with your artist name or brand. Here, I decided to hand draw my initials since my brand is called AL Fine Art and Design. I probably did like 10 to 20 different renditions of my initials in different sizes and writing styles. I was most drawn to the elegance of cursive, so that is what I practiced most. Here is the final design that I settled on, and I love it. I'm going to select the entire image and all the edits that I made and click the group button down at the bottom. This makes it into one solid image instead of having a ton of small pieces. The last step is to click the share and download. You can use the Canva Pro free trial to download the image at the largest and clearest size. Head over to Etsy to get a custom stamp for your maker's mark. I found one that looked affordable and had good reviews. I decided on a metal stamp instead of plastic because I knew it would hold up better to the wear and tear long term. The size is important. If you buy a stamp that is too small, it will lose all the beautiful detail that you worked so hard on. And make sure to tell them that you will send them the custom image. It took months to create this design, and I'm super happy with how it came out. Are there other programs that might be easier to use? Maybe. Could you use AI image generator instead? Yeah, probably. But this is how I created mine, and it came from my own brain and artist's hand, and I love it. Comment down below with any questions, and best of luck with creating yours.